The Smith machine incline bench press primarily targets the muscles in the upper chest due to the incline of the bench as well as the front deltoids on the shoulders. Since the barbell on the Smith machine moves in a locked-in, straight up and down path, it requires less activation of the stabilization muscles, thus making it easier to isolate the muscles in the chest. To get started, set the incline of the bench press between 15 and 30 degrees and position it in the middle of the Smith machine so at the bottom of the lift, the barbell touches your upper chest. Sit down with your back flat on the bench, then grip the barbell with the just outside shoulder width grip, feet planted firmly into the floor. Lift the bar off the rack with a slight forward twist to move the safety hooks away from the safety bar. Before lowering the bar, squeeze your shoulder blades together and down to ensure the primary tension is placed on your chest, not your shoulders. Inhale, then under control, slowly lower the bar by bending your elbows and pulling them down to the sides until the bar touches your upper chest. Exhale as you push your head and back into the bench and contract your chest to push the bar back up to the top of the lift. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.